Have you ever wondered what the most expensive house is? Originally, a house or a home is where you come back to get some rest, spend time with your family, or escape from the world. But for the 1% of the world, a home is far more than that. It's a symbol of the opulence and expression of their minds in concrete form, and also an avenue to spend a few measly $1 million, nothing major. In today's video, we've listed 10 of the most expensive houses in the world for the year 2022. No need to thank me, just like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Number 10. 1819 Kensington Garden, United Kingdom, $128 million. 1819 Kensington Palace Garden is situated in the most expensive street in Britain, which is known as Billionaires Row. Lakshmi Mittal, who is one of India's richest men and owner of the largest steel manufacturing company in the world, is the owner of this beautiful and historical property. It's near Kensington Palace, where Prince William and Catherine, who is the Duchess of Cambridge, live. Also known as Noor Palace, this property was bought in the 1990s for $5 million. Years of restoration and a $90 million investment turned it from a derelict, half-put-together house into a millionaire's dream, with a value that's grown exponentially. Stunning rooms, some complete with traditional charm, with manicured gardens around the entire property to be enjoyed on warm spring days. A lot of the property was renovated using the same marble as that used to build the Taj Mahal. 1819 Kensington Palace Gardens was purchased by Mittal for $128 million in 2004, from where it became the most expensive house in the world at that time. It was first built in the 19th century. This property covers 55,000 square feet. It has 12 bathrooms, Turkish baths, an indoor pool, a picture gallery, and space for 20 cars. Number 9. Palazzo d'Amore, United States, $195 million. Surprised that one of the most expensive houses is located in Beverly Hills? Well, don't be. Beverly Hills is the definition of "Mama, I made it" in America. The behemoth of a house is owned by a business magnate and real estate mogul Jeff Green. Palazzo d'Amore occupied 53,000 square feet. It has 12 bedrooms, 25 bathrooms, a 150-person infinity swimming pool, a tennis court, a 24-car garage, parking space for 150 cars, formal gardens, a 50-seat movie theater, a wine cellar, and a city-to-ocean view. If you love to throw parties in your house, then you will be very happy after knowing that this house also has a revolving dance floor and ballroom. Palazzo d'Amore was designed by American mega mansion designer Bob Ray Offenhausen. Number 8. Ellison Estate, United States at $200 million. Ellison Estate is the official residence of the co-founder of Oracle, one of the richest men in the world, Larry Ellison. It was designed by architect Paul Driscoll and Zen Buddhist. Much of the design is influenced and was remodeled by a Japanese emperor's palace. This beautiful home of one of the leading tech company's co-founders is built on an area of 23 acres. It was built in 2004, and that includes 10 buildings, a tea house, a man-made lake, a koi pond, and a bathhouse. You'll find very expensive trees throughout the Ellison Estate grounds, such as maples, blossoms, redwoods, and oaks. Number 7. 4 Fairfield Pond, United States, $248 million. 4 Fairfield Pond is a house owned by American billionaire investor Ira Rennert. The Hamptons are renowned for being expensive, but 4 Fairfield Pond takes it to the next level. This luxury mansion is designed for anyone who gets bored easily, thanks to its sweeping grounds and endless facilities, as well as the 39 bathrooms and 29 bedrooms. A stay here includes access to a private basketball court, a 2-lane bowling alley, and a 154-seat theater. Known as one of the largest homes in the United States, it also features an on-site power plant, 12 chimneys, a 91-foot-long dining room, a billiards room, a 100-car garage, 2 tennis courts, and 2 squash courts. The mansion goes for $248 million, making it 7th on our list. Number 6. The Odeon Tower Penthouse, Monaco, $330 million. The Odeon Tower Penthouse might not feature a garden, but it does offer spectacular views across Monaco. Known as the world's most expensive flat, it sits at the top of a 560-foot skyscraper and is owned by SCI Odeon, a subsidiary of the group Marzocco. The Odeon Tower is a luxury penthouse located just by the Mediterranean Sea and is one of the tallest buildings in Europe. Its additional features are a private water slide into a 360-degree view infinity pool and a private elevator. The penthouse was designed by architect Alexander Giraldi and developed by group Marzocco. It has 259 residences, of which 62 are for sale, private luxury residences, including 2 Sky Duplay apartments and 1 Sky penthouse. It covers a total area of 35,000 square feet. And hey, you know what? If you're feeling up to it, you can buy and gift me a luxurious penthouse in the most expensive building in Monaco. That is, if you have $330 million. Number 5. Le Palais Bulles, France, $335 million. Le Palais Bulles is one of the most expensive homes in the world, and it's located in Théoule-sur-Mer in Cannes. It was designed by Antti Lovage, who is a Hungarian architect, and was built from 1975 to 1989. It was bought by Pierre Cardin as a holiday home after the first owner, French industrialist, sold it. Le Palais Bulles, or Bubble Rooms, was inspired by early man's abodes in the bubble-like clusters. Le Palais Bulles is built in the total area of 1,200 square meters, and that includes 10 bedrooms, a reception hall, various swimming pools, a 500-seat open-air amphitheater, a panoramic lounge, and waterfalls on extensive landscape grounds. Each bedroom has been decorated by a specific artist. Pierre visits his artistic French home during the holidays as a getaway for his family and friends, and as you may have guessed, parties and fashion events have been held in this location. Dior showed his cruise collection at the Le Palais Bulles as an indoor-outdoor fashion show. Number 4. Villa Les Cédres, France, $221 million. Villa Les Cédres is the fourth on our list with a value of $221 million. The property is approximately 18,000 square feet. It contains a 35-acre garden, 14 bedrooms, an Olympic-sized swimming pool, and a large stable used for 50 horses. This French home is affluence at its finest. The home was also a previous property of King Leopold II of Belgium in 1904. Villa Les Cédres is currently owned by Ukraine's richest man and oligarch, Rinat Akhmetov. Number 3. Villa Leopolda, France, $750 million. Villa Leopolda sits between two of the most prestigious parts of the world, Monaco and Nice. Sumptuous and stylish, it's a luxury property with a regal past and previously belonged to King Leopold II of Belgium. Villa La Leopolda is a large detached villa that occupies 50 acres worth of land. It was built and designed by American architect Ogden Codman Jr. from 1929 to 1931. Edmund Safra, husband of Lily Safra, bought this house in 1987. Villa Leopolda is the most expensive luxury home and is located in the Alpes Maritimes of the French Riviera. It has 11 bedrooms, a commercial green room, 14 bathrooms, an outdoor kitchen, a movie theater, a helipad, and a world-class swimming pool. The current owner is Mikhail Porkhorov, and the villa goes for a whopping $750 million. Number 2. Antilla, India, $2.2 billion. Antilla has a 27-story private skyscraper that is located at Altamount Road in Mumbai, India. It is home to Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani and his family. The Ambani family is the epitome of opulence in India, and as such their home greatly reflects it. The house was named after a mythical island in the Atlantic. The building is 400,000 square feet and was designed and constructed by Perkins & Will, the U.S. architecture firm, and Hirsch Bedner Associates. Antilla was built to withstand a Category 8 earthquake and has other amazing features such as 3 helipads, terrace gardens, a temple, an 80-seat movie theater, 6 levels of parking below, multiple swimming pools, yoga and dance studio, a health spa, 1 floor for the car storage and a service station for cars, and an ice cream room. You definitely can't go wrong with an ice cream room in your own home. It even has a snow room that spits out snowflakes, in case India's high temperature gets a little too much. The Antilla home needs at least 400 staff to maintain the daily tasks. This expensive home of Mukesh Ambani costs around $2.2 billion as of January 2022. Number 1. Buckingham Palace, the United Kingdom, at $4.7 billion. It's not surprising that the most expensive home belongs to the world's most popular family. No, I'm not talking about the Kardashians. The royal family owns the most famous house in London since 1873, and it is the definition of lavish. Buckingham Palace, which is originally known as Buckingham House, is the administrative headquarters and London residence of the monarch of the UK. It is located in the city of Westminster and is owned by the royal family of Britain. This palace has been a focal point at times of national rejoicing for the British people. Buckingham Palace is built in an area of 828,000 square feet approximately, and the garden alone covers more than 40 acres, which makes it London's largest private garden. It has 775 rooms, 78 bathrooms, and 19 staterooms, and 92 offices. It was constructed in a neo-classical architectural style and designed by several architects over the centuries. but its original architect is John Nash. This is it for today, guys. Hope you liked this video. For more videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my previous videos on my channel. And if you wish to gift me $1 million mansion or an apartment, or have any opinions, you can drop all of that down in the comments section below. Don't forget the gift. Until next time, goodbye.